again, friends. This is Rick here, back at you from Boardman Nissan Service Department. Last time we checked in, it was right before the holidays, getting ready for winter. We're still in the middle of winter. It's the middle of February already, and that means a couple things. It's still cold, but you're going to get your tax returns back. Most people are either getting them now or they're coming in very soon. And I can't think of a better investment in a portion of that tax return to go into your vehicle. Now, most of you will be getting ready for spring, summer, vacations, a lot of driving, weekend trips. Now's a good time to use that tax return. We have some specials on tires for the next 90 days. Buy 3, get the 4th tire for $1. Now that's a heck of a deal. Plus we do our inspections on your cars, check your brakes while we're doing that. We get all your fluids topped off. Any maintenance services that are needed, that's important for the trips that you're going to be taking. Well, we're here. And we're open 7:30 to 6 Monday through Friday and 8 to 5 on Saturday. Oil changes, no appointments necessary. Or give us a call, 330-726-5555. Look forward to seeing you. Thanks.